PAM Center Bangsar is the headquarters of the Malaysian Institute of Architects. The 10-story office building is Bangsar's landmark, which is located in Jalan Tandok. Passive containment avoids the spread of fire to prolong the time for evacuation. Compartmentation is used to divide the space to smaller units and limit the spread of fire. Lift shaft and fire staircase shaft are protected to provide safe evacuation routes during fire. Fire risk areas that store hazardous equipment are also compartmentalized to contain the fire prevent outspread. To achieve this, fire-rated wall and doors are used. Emergency exit signs is to direct and guide people to the proper exits in a fire emergency. At PAM Center Bangsar, evacuation routes are also effectively planned. Exit points are located at both ends of the building, connected by a linear hallway for ease of evacuation during fire. The fire staircase directly leads the occupants to the assembly point, which is the open car park. For firefighting access, a minimum of 1/4 perimeter of the building should be provided with fire appliance access road. The main road in front of the building is sufficient to fulfill the requirement. Firefighting stairs, firefighting lobby, and firefighting lift allow firefighters and equipment to reach the fire quickly. In the event of fire, smoke detector, heat detector, and manual call point can be used to trigger the fire alarm bell. The main control panel will be notified and activate the emergency light, voice alarm system through speaker and siren to give alerts for occupants to evacuate. In the same time, the control panel also transmits a signal to the fire department through digital alarm communication. When the firefighter breaks inside, they will communicate through fireman intercom systems that are connected to the master control console in control panel room. Both water-based and non-water-based systems are used to control and extinguish different types of fire. This rail system is used for a first aid firefighting during early stage of fire. When activated, the hose reel pump will pump water from fire water storage tank to the hose reels located at both ends of the building and at the middle of hallways. Dry riser system is another water-based system installed at the building. When the fire engine arrives, it connects to the breaching inlet and fire hydrant. Fire engine pumps the water into the dry riser and distributes to landing valves at every floor. To counter fire that is not suitable to be extinguished by water, portable fire extinguishers and fixed extinguishing system is used. Dry powder fire extinguishers are provided at both ends and middle hallway of every floor. Carbon dioxide fire extinguishers are provided at rooms with hazardous electrical equipment. Automatic fire extinguishing systems are also installed at these hazardous rooms. When fire is detected in those rooms, carbon dioxide and IG-55 extinguishing system will discharge those gases through nozzle to flood the room up to a concentration that combustion can happen. The PAM Center Bangsar uses the variable refrigerant flow system as their means of conditioning the spaces inside the building. The outdoor unit consists of a DC driven inverter unit located on the rooftop floor and refrigerant pipes. The indoor units used in the building consist of fan coil units as well as the air handling unit that houses evaporating coils. In the refrigerant cycle, the outdoor unit is responsible in pressurizing the vapor refrigerant through compressor and condense it into liquid form pressure, which then reduced by expansion valve. In each indoor unit, the refrigerant absorbs heat from the warm air. Thus, the air is cooled down and discharged into the room, and the warm, evaporated refrigerant are sent back to the outdoor unit once again. FCU and AHU shares a similar process but differs in size and working capability. The FCU used in PAM Center Bangsar consists of cassette unit and ducted unit and can be found in smaller spaces such as meeting rooms, offices, galleries, and technical rooms throughout the floors. PRF system allow independent control of each zones to suit the different comfort level of users as well as working times of the units, hence more efficient and energy saving. Circulation system is used to assist natural ventilation. It circulates lobby and breakout spaces to achieve thermal comfort. Extract system is used to extract moisture and stall air at toilet and prayer room at lower ground floor where natural ventilation is limited. Pod ventilation exhaust fan is used in this system. Inline fan installed in ductwork. When activated, it draws the air from the room through ceiling air diffuser and discharges the air through external grill. The extracted air will be replaced by fresh air from outside the room. Center uses machine roomless elevator as the vertical movement device of the building. The type of elevator does not require a machine room as the drive component of it is quite small and can be directly installed in the elevator shaft. When a building is on fire, fire lift will perform two modes. In the first phase mode, the elevator will return the designated floor and the elevator door will be opened up. While for the second phase mode, it allows fire rescue personnel to manually operate the lift by using a special key switch. In short, passive and active fire protection system, air conditioning system, mechanical ventilation system, and mechanical transportation system works together at PAM Center Bangsar to make sure the building is comfortable, functional, efficient for daily operation, and ensure safety of occupants in the event of fire.